Welcome back to the channel. So this weekend we're getting the frame all finished up on doing the extension. We got some 1-inch plate to go underneath the frame because we got the 4x2 C channel on the 74 CJ6, and then they got like a 2-inch strap that goes underneath all the way like back to here to this. Well, this cross member goes, but it goes all the way up front and stops there for some reason. So we got some 36-inch 2x3/16 to go underneath. And then I did order these online for the 3 sides fish plates on the inside, and then I made this one up on Saturday to go for this driver's side because we got the new weld and then the old weld. So I'm going in between the new weld and the old weld up there so we can get that strengthened up. And then get the inner side of the C channel welded up, get the fish plates on, and then the frame should be done as far as the stretch. So that's on the agenda for this weekend. Get the fish plates in, get the strapping in, get the C channel finished up, and the CJ6 frame is finally going to be stretched back out. And then we're going to have fish plates out here too, but they're going to be designed up for the rock guards. They're coming off this for the body, but I can't do that till I get the body, so that's on hold. So we're just making the inside ones for now. Or doing a little bit of cardboard CAD design. Now we'll do an 8-inch one. Be something kind of like that. But this one's going to be covered up there though. Probably just want 2.5. Because 3.5 is the max. 3 3/4. That's a good. That's about 3. I guess we can do 3 on that. Now I got the little cardboard cutout of the fish plate. Go out there with the plasma cutter and get this thing all cut up and ready to go. Get a little hole cut into it for the weld. So this is my first time trying the cardboard cutout using the plasma cutter, and obviously was not very good at this. They had to do a ton of cleanup afterwards with the grinder. Grind on this thing for quite a long time, and had to grind on the hole too for quite a long time actually. So I need more practice. Then we beveled out the weld on the inside to make sure we had good penetration for the inside weld on the C channel.
Okay, on the vertical, the direct overhead, I'm going to start at the edge of the flange and bring the heat in to the web of the channel. And then I will do a vertical up, start here cold, so I bring my heat back into the flange of the weld, and then I'll come back over here, start at the tip, and bring my heat in there. That's the correct way to weld. Now we got the fish plates all
popped in there in the passenger side. And we got the plate still to put on underneath the strapping. So we got that done for this Sunday. And that's it for this one. See you guys on the next one.